when I got this Realme 3 Pro, guys, I have heard that it has VOOC 3.0 charger. At that time, my mind was blown away. Like literally, this phone cost 14,000 rupees and it has one of the best, or I can say the finest charging technology in it. It comes with VOOC 3.0 charger which comes inside the box. So amazing, isn't it? So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and in this video I'm going to do a charging test of this Realme 3 Pro with the VOOC 3.0 charger. Let's begin. So guys, before starting this video, I would like to promote my Instagram, which is Tech Buffet. So yeah, first of all, let me tell you some of the specifications. So the battery of this smartphone is 4045 mAh and the charger they have provided in the box, which is a VOOC 3.0 charger, has an output rating of 5 volt 4 ampere. That means it's a 20 watt fast charger, and Realme or Oppo claims that it takes 30 minutes to charge it from 0 to 50, which is mind boggling in my opinion. So let's test it. So first of all, let me connect it to the charger and start the stopwatch. Hey guys, so it's been 5 minutes and oh my god, it's already 11% charge. Amazing. So guys, it's 10 minutes since I have left it on charging and it's 18% charge. Wow. So guys, finally it's 15 minutes and in 15 minutes, I mean seriously, in 15 minutes it's 25% charged. Wow, it's superb. I'm impressed guys. So guys, finally it's half an hour and as you see, it's 48% charged. Wow, I am super impressed. I mean guys, can you believe that this phone takes just 30 minutes to charge the 2000 mAh of that battery? So wow, I'm impressed here. So they claim that it takes 30 minutes to charge 50% and it's true. So guys, it's been 1 hour and it's 88% charge. Not bad. So sometimes it takes around 1 hour to completely charge, but this time due to the Wi-Fi, SIM card and displays turning on and off continuously, so that's why it's taking too much time. So this is a small disclaimer over here. So guys, it's been 1 hour 15 minutes and as you see, it's completely charged. This phone costs just 14,000 rupees and as you see guys, it's a mind-blowing stuff. So I am super impressed. Great job Realme. Great job. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button. If you want to purchase this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. If you have any queries or suggestions, then please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you love my content, then subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.